Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick review about this AI website called Flexiquiz. So we're going to dive into its features, the pros and cons, and the price tag for this platform to help you make an informed decision if this would be a better platform for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Flexiquiz is a tool that lets you take a quiz online. Think of it like those multiple choice tests you take in school, but now you are a teacher, and you can use Flexiquiz to make a fun quiz for your friends or create a live quiz games with timer for a more existing experience and need something more serious. Flexiquiz also work great for making tests for your students. It's a super flexible and easy to use. Plus Flexiquiz use a special Ray ID to keep track of everyone's point. Now, talking about the key important features about this platform, come with a wide range of features that makes it stand out compared to other platforms. So I'm going to list out some key features about this platform that make it different from others. So one of these key features is a quiz maker, together with the custom CSS and an exam builder, which is part of the features, and a custom grading together with a live quiz. So all these features combined together make this platform an essential platform for you to use. And Flexiquiz also offer varieties of price plan to suit different needs and budgets. So talking about the price plan, we have the essential plan, we have the premium plan, and we have the enterprise plan, and each plan has a key features allocated to them. So I can just get back to the video. You can just get back to the website using the link in the video to access the website and check out which plan would be a bucket nice for you. So talking about the pros and cons of this platform, so picking out the pro first, it comes with many question type, highly customization, and the detail reporting together with a occasional glitch and a learning curve together with a design limitation. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.